So this here must be the bridge. And we can see from over top. There we go. There's some balls for you. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Ollalie State Park, I believe it's called. And we are here on April the 29th. Is it 29th or 28th? 29th, 2025. What? Oh, Earth Day was yesterday. So we are here in Ollalie State Park. Specifically, we are at Twin Falls Trailhead. There we go, Ollalie State Park, Twin Falls Trailhead. So we're gonna do the Twin Falls trail to see Twin Falls. So, like I said, the 29th, April 2025. It is about 55 degrees here, so it's a little on the cool side, but not too bad. It's just kind of what you get here in Washington, at least on this side of the state, in the spring. It is pay to park, so we did have to pay on this machine, get a little pass to park. It was 10 bucks for one day, but they do sell like a $30 pass that'll get you into all the parks for the year. So I guess over here you can pay by cash as well. So you have some options. Does it say how far it is here?
Well, it depends on where we're going to.
We're going to Twin Falls.
So this one?
Yeah.
Like 1.7.
1.7, okay.
But doesn't that mean it's 3.4 total?
Yeah, let me see here. Mileage, the trailhead. Upper Falls viewpoint, 1.1. I think it's 1.1 or 1.2. At least that's what I saw on line. Let me check real quick. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Upper Twin Falls viewpoint, which is about 1.2, 1.3 miles out, 1.2, 1.3 miles back. It says 2.5 total online. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. You can get started on the watch. Okay, so if you were watching our videos, we were just at Olympic National Park for a few videos there, and this morning we went in. We had other plans today to hike with friends in this general area. Those fell through, and hopefully we will do them at another point. So we had these other couple of trails on our way back from Olympic National Park to Yakima, where we are living for the next few months. And so I had these on my map saved, so we're gonna try them out. Ugh, poor Mike has got a face full of hair. Okay, so it should be a pretty straightforward hike. I believe it is going to be a lot of uphill to get there based on what All Trail said. So we're going to expect a lot of uphill, but it'll be mostly downhill on the way back. Up. It's not supposed to be too much uphill though. I think only maybe 500 feet over the 2.5 miles. So we'll see. Most of it should be at the end. Okay, so we're about halfway through the hills here. You can see got a little bit more climb out there, looks like. So kind of halfway up this hill. So there's a bit of elevation. It's all in one spot. So we've been hiking right about 0.7 in, so we got another half mile or so up this up the trail. But hopefully it looks like once we get to the top here, it should be flat or so the rest of the way. So how long have we been hiking for?
18, 19 minutes.
So almost 20 minutes we've been hiking, and we've made it 3/4 of a mile with a couple of short stops. So not too bad. Just got to be able to do a bit of elevation. Other than that, it's been like this, maybe a little bit muddy because it's a little wet. So you be careful with that. Obviously, lots of roots and rocks as well. So, okay, let's go ahead and push up to the top. Using your ears to hold on to.
I think he thinks I'm a horse.
Yeah.
And my ears are the reins.
For him, you are. Okay. Giddy up! Okay, let's get going. Okay, to the top of the hill. It looks like I can see the falls just through there. There's a bench up here to rest at, but it is currently not installed. So it's just a teasing bench. But look at that view. There we go. Looks like there is a bridge just above it there. Pretty cool waterfall. Even for a waterfall snob, right?
Yes.
Okay. We'll take a few minutes, catch your breath, and continue on down the trail. Okay, so a bit of an update. We hiked from the point up top there all the way to the bottom of the hill, and now we are back hiking all the way back up that elevation that we lost. So a bit of a roller coaster. Got a bit of a stretch back, but it says we're at about 1.1 miles, so we should be just about there. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Let's see.
Most people can go under that.
Guess we have to try to get this way. Hit. There we go. That
You
was
get the other way.
Oh, great. So, I'm not even all the way to the end of this trail, but at this point, I'm rating this a moderate, solid moderate trail. It is a lot of elevation up and down in a pretty short amount of time. So, if you're not in super good shape, which we are not in the best of shape, but not in the worst of shape, we have been starting to run, but there's a lot of elevation over a very small amount of time, so make sure you take your time. There's a lot of steps, and we have noticed a lot of logs like you saw down there, a lot of logs over the trail that are not clear and have been there for quite a while. So you might have to deal with that for the time being. Okay, so just a little bit further here, hopefully, and we'll get there. Okay, so either the mileage here is way off, or we misunderstood where exactly we were going. Look at that nice big bug that you almost touched. But it looks like we are here. We're at about 1.4 miles almost now, instead of 1.1 or so. So a little bit further than we thought, but we needed to get up, get a good view of the falls. So we're at that bridge that went over top of the falls that we saw across the way. Okay. So this here must be the bridge. And we can see from over top. There we go. There's some falls for you. Very cool. It looks like there's some more stairs this way too. So the hill we saw this from was probably somewhere right there. And it looks like there's more stairs up. I'll have to see where those go.
The bench right there.
You can't see the bench?
There's a railing.
Oh yeah. Right there where that dark spot is. You can see the bench where we were. Very cool. And then there's the second set of falls right there. So we got that set and that set. And I guess that just continues on the trail a little bit further. So let's take in the views a little bit, get some pictures, and we'll start heading back.
He's balancing, you guys.
Okay. So we have switched bags for the way back here. We've decided to not go to the lower part. At this point, too many steps with him. Just not what we're looking for at this point.
The upper falls was great. I mean,
yeah.
It was beautiful.
Upper falls was exactly what we were hoping to get, so we're fine there. But we just didn't want to have to go down another 100 feet of stairs to go back up another 100 feet of stairs. Just not today. Not what we're looking to sign up for. So we're gonna start heading back. So I gotta go downhill, then back uphill, and then downhill, and then back up to the parking lot. So definitely at least a solid moderate hike. So be aware. You have to take your time. Lots of mud and spots, especially here towards the end. Take my time so I don't fall. But all in all, really great hike right here in Washington. So if you like that video, go ahead and hit the like button right now. Comment if you're the first person to watch. Nobody's commented yet.
Everybody comment.
Make sure you comment. Everybody comment, yeah. Micah likes the comments. Just say hi to Micah, just say you're the first one there, whatever. We enjoy hearing from you. Tell us what you liked, what we missed, whatever. And subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. We got plenty more coming from here in the state of Washington as we, a Midwesterner and a Northeasterner, discover the Northwest of the United States through hikes and other things. Join us and see our reactions and our thoughts on everything. We got plenty more coming. Trying to hit up all the national parks here in the state of Washington. Already knocked one off, so got 2 more coming. So there should be plenty of good action to follow. So that's why you would subscribe. So until then, we will see you in the next one.